Have you ever looked at your Tesla, sleek, silent, and undeniably futuristic, and wondered if you could buy it with something equally as cutting edge? Like Bitcoin? It's a question that's popped up more than a few times in the crypto and electric vehicle worlds. So, let's dive in. Bitcoin, the digital gold. Before we talk about Tesla, let's quickly recap what Bitcoin is. It's a decentralized digital currency operating independently of a central bank. It's often referred to as digital gold because of its limited supply and perceived store of value. Bitcoin's rise has been meteoric, from being virtually worthless to becoming a multi-billion-dollar asset. Tesla, the electric pioneer. On the other side of the coin, we have Tesla. Elon Musk's brainchild has revolutionized the automotive industry. It's more than just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of innovation. Tesla has been at the forefront of electric vehicles, but it's also been a pioneer in the world of cryptocurrency. The Bitcoin experiment. Remember that time when Bitcoin was on a roller coaster ride? Prices were skyrocketing, then plummeting. It was during this volatile period that Elon Musk dropped a bombshell: Tesla would accept Bitcoin as payment for its cars. The crypto world erupted in jubilation. It felt like a major endorsement for Bitcoin. Why accept Bitcoin? But why would a company like Tesla want to accept Bitcoin? Well, for starters, it aligns with Tesla's image as an innovative company. It's a bold move that attracts attention. Plus, there's the potential for profit. If you hold Bitcoin and its value increases, you've made a pretty good investment. The U-turn. However, the Bitcoin honeymoon didn't last long. Tesla reversed its decision to accept Bitcoin. Musk cited environmental concerns related to Bitcoin mining as the primary reason. It was a shocking move that sent shockwaves through the crypto market. The future of Bitcoin and Tesla. So, where does this leave us? Does Tesla accept Bitcoin? The short answer is no. But things change rapidly in the world of crypto and electric vehicles. It's possible that Tesla might revisit the idea in the future, especially if Bitcoin becomes more environmentally friendly. The relationship between Tesla and Bitcoin is a fascinating chapter in the story of both. It's a tale of innovation, risk, and environmental consciousness. While Tesla may not accept Bitcoin now, the future is uncertain. One thing's for sure: the intersection of technology, finance, and sustainability will continue to shape the world around us. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.